Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Excel gives you tools that help you manage your workspace when you have opened multiple workbooks. In Excel, you can have many workbooks open at once to do things like copy and paste text between them, for example. To see your options for managing multiple workbooks, click the View tab in the ribbon. The Window button group contains the commands for managing your open workbooks. At the left end of the button group is the New Window button. To open another view of your current workbook in a new window, click the New Window button. This helps when you want to use two different views of the same workbook simultaneously in two separate windows. Changes made in one window also appear within the other.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.